Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you the Canva PC quick guide to removing backgrounds fast. So guys, you want to cut out your backgrounds in a couple of seconds. Let's use Canva's background remover on PC to do this. So all you need to do is simply find an image or a template you'd like to customize, or your own template or your own image or canvas you'd like to work on. So let's just go ahead and click on customize this template. So I'm going with this for this tutorial, and now all you need to do is simply upload your image onto Canva. You can do this by clicking on the upload option here and simply clicking on upload files. Once they've been uploaded, just simply drag and drop your files where you want them to be on your canvas or on your design, and you can simply edit them from there. All right, so with your images selected, all you need to do now is click on this image, like this image right here. Select this image. Once you've selected the image, go ahead and select the background remover. This is an AI tool by Canva, which is mostly premium. It's a premium feature, so you're going to need to have Canva Premium in order to enjoy this tool. So go ahead and click on background remover, and it's going to use the AI feature to simply remove the background. Now, if you do not like the background removed in this manner, you could simply click on edit while the image is selected. And then where we have Magic Studios, go ahead and click on Magic Eraser to simply erase sections of the image you do not want. And once you're done, just simply head back and boom, it's going to look like this. Make sure you use high quality images for the cleanest background removal results. And that's how you can simply remove your background. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.